Click on the template at the top, click on background color. You can change this to a different color. And if you want all of the rest of the template to match this exact color, you can come to the bottom and say change all. And then you can see at the top, the color has changed across all pages. You can also choose a color from your brand kit if you designed a color in the past for your brand. And this is only for pro users. So if you're a free user and you want to use a brand color, you have to upgrade to the pro plan. But here I have an example of using this gradient color that I created in the past for my brand. And this is what it looks like after I changed it. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.